This is the Avantree Eon, a wireless noise-canceling headset perfect for daily use. With replaceable earpads, battery, and headband, the Eon's lifespan can be extended indefinitely, making it both cost-effective and eco-friendly. First, remove the headband by bending the headband like so until part of it snaps off. Carefully pull away the headband until it's fully detached from the chassis. To reattach, slide the ends of the headband into the chassis. Then, press on the headband until it fully clicks into place. To remove the ear pad, you can simply pull the ear pads out from the plastic housing. There are a few plastic clips on the inside perimeter which hold the ear pads in place. Gently pull the ear pad out until the whole ear pad is removed. To install your new ear pads, first, position the ear pad so that it matches the oval shape of the housing. Next, press the edge of the ear pad firmly, such that the ear pad fits into place within the plastic clips. Work your way around the perimeter until all of the clips are secure and the ear pad is firmly in place. To remove the battery, take off the cover by pulling on the bottom. Remove the battery and place the new battery in the slot, taking care to align the battery polarities correctly. Replace the cover, then repeat these steps for the other side. To use the microphone while in wired mode, first plug the boom mic into the Eon's 3.5mm aux port. You can use the Eon with or without the mic in wired or wireless modes for ultimate usage flexibility. If you want to use it as a wired headphone, plug the 3.5mm aux cable into the back of the boom mic. To disassemble, first unplug the 3.5mm aux cable, then pull on the boom mic to remove it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to stay notified on our new videos. Thanks for watching.